This is not a microphone. This is the Nanovi. I do it for about 30 minutes a day. I sit here when I'm doing emails and I breathe the air coming out of this thing. Why do I do this? Well, our bodies will create an ROS signal when there's an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants. The air coming out of this thing uses low-level EMFs to mimic that ROS signal, which encourages our cells to repair themselves. This helps with oxidative stress. This helps with better sleep, faster recovery time, and it even helps our skin.
Hi, this is Dr. Luis Martinez. I'm here at my clinic, Xanogene in San Juan. We have just connected a patient. He's undergoing bioidentical signaling therapy. He's going to be connected for about 25 minutes. I've been using bioidentical signaling therapy for over a year now in my clinics, and I'm extremely happy with the results. Basically what we're doing is we're activating the oxidative response mechanism. So we're just jump-starting cellular repair. Usually as we age or with chronic conditions, increased oxidative stress, we have this signaling mechanism which is blunted, and the bioidentical signaling therapy using the N3 device activates that response or that mechanism. Patients love it. They report increased energy, improved general well-being. We see improvements in heart rate variability, tissue oxygenation, improvements in wound healing and recovery, and I'm seeing improvements in inflammatory markers. So in all, bioidentical signaling therapy is just a really wonderful approach to healing, and I believe most, if not all, physicians should have and should offer bioidentical signaling therapy in their offices.